Take a look at my life after this present time. Everything